Railroad. For the safety of our younger riders, we ask that the adults with them place themselves on the outside of the road. If that's not practical, please hold them or have them easily in your reach. Remain seated until we come to a complete stop. Keep all your body parts inside the car. No eating, please. No smoking. Thank you. We're on our way now to the main gate Firestone Station. Spence Creek Depot is one of the original 28 buildings in the village when we opened October 21st of 1929. It's an authentic train depot. Comes to us from Spence Creek, Michigan, about 45 miles northeast of here, just outside of Fort Huron. The latest addition to the village campus is the opening of the building to the left, inside Central Marketplace, built in 1861 in downtown Detroit. A large brick building we're approaching is Detroit Toledo walking roundhouse. Originally built in 1884 in Marshall, Michigan, about an hour and a half west of here. We salvaged things structurally sound out of that building, included in this one, and opened it up in 2000. We do all of our service, repair, and maintenance on our 3 coal-fired steam locomotives there. The largest part of our working farms district will be on the right side as we complete the left turn up ahead. The Firestone Farm, built in 1828 in Columbiana County, Ohio. It is the birthplace and childhood home of Harvey Firestone, the originator of the tire and rubber company, a very good friend of Henry Ford. It's a working farm, 7.5 acres worth, year-round, open for you to visit. Well, we're approaching the main gate Firestone Station. If you choose to get off here, it's a short walk back to the farmhouse or over to Liberty Craftworks to watch the artisans work, or even to the Model T loading dock for a ride throughout the village. Remain seated, please. Wait for the whistle from the engineer. Once you hear that whistle, then you can get up and exit on the right. Right side only. We'll be here for a short 5 or 6 minutes and then depart for another round of work. There's our merino sheep on the